Hari Om and good morning, children. Today we will see the increment and decrement operator. Children, you know that increment and decrement operator both are unary operator because these operators are used with a single operand. Then increment operator is plus plus, decrement operator is minus minus. Increment operator is used to increase the value of an operand by 1. Decrement operator is used to decrease the value of operand by 1. Children, these are the 4 different ways by which you can increase or decrease the value of an operand by 1. Now let's see the increment side. Int a equal to 5, variable a of int data type is declared and assigned a value 5. Then first process is a equal to a plus 1. This is the general process of increasing the value of an operand by 1, by 4, 5, anything you can increase. Now look this side. A plus 1, this is the RHS side, is evaluated first. 5 plus 1, 6, that value is given to A. The value of A is becoming 6. Then A plus equal to 1, this is the second way by which you can increase the value of A by 1. And this is known as compound assignment operator or shorthand operator. Third way, a plus plus, this is known as postfix increment. Plus plus a, this is known as prefix increment. Similarly, you can see the decrement side. Int a equal to 5, a equal to a minus 1. This is the first process by which you can decrease the value of a by 1. Second process is a minus equal to 1. This is the compound assignment operator by which you can decrease the value of a by 1. Third process is a minus minus, postfix decrement. And fourth process is minus minus a. This is the prefix decrement. Then children, these two things are important for you in increment operator as well as decrement operator. One is postfix, second one is prefix. Then we will see what is the postfix increment and decrement, what is the prefix increment and decrement. Children, first we will see increment. This increment operator, that is plus plus, it can be done in two different ways. One is postfix, another one is prefix. Postfix can be written as a plus plus like this. Prefix can be written as plus plus a in this format. What is the difference between postfix and prefix increment? In postfix, you can see operator is used after the operand. Our operator symbol is used after the operand. This is my operand, this is my operator. Similarly, in this side, operator is used before the operand. This is my operator and this is my operand. Our operator, this is plus plus, is used before the operand a. Then second point is important. In postfix, it uses the value of variable increases it. First it will use the present value of variable a, then it will increase it. This side, in prefix side, it increases the value, then uses it. First it will increase the present value of a, then it will use it. Now you can understand it by this example. You can see int a equal to 5b. Then I have written b equal to 10 into a plus plus. Then what is the value of a? What is the value of b? Children, you can see this one is our postfix. Postfix means first it will use the value of a, then it will increase the value of a. Then it will be evaluated b equal to 10 into value of a, that is 5, so it is 50. Then a will be increased, that is 5 plus 1, 6. Value of b is 50, value of a is 6. That means present value of a, that is 5, immediately used. So 10 into 5, 50. Then value of a is increasing, a plus 1, that is 6. But whenever you are writing in this side, you can see int a equal to 5b, then b equal to 10 into plus a. Now children, you can see this is prefix increment. Then how it will be evaluated? A equal to a plus 1. First it will use the value of a, increase the value of a, that is 6. 5 plus 1, 6, increment. Then it will be used b equal to 10 into a, that means 10 into 6, 60. Now you can see the difference. Here b value is coming 50. Here b value is coming 60. Due to this postfix increment and prefix increment. So this is about the increment operator in postfix way as well as prefix way. Similarly, you can write the decrement operator. Children, decrement operator is minus minus. It decreases the value of an operand by 1. It can be used in two ways. One is postfix, that is a minus minus in this way. Another one is prefix. This is minus minus a in this way. Then main difference is it uses the value, then decreases it. This side, it decreases the value, then uses it. This is the main difference, children. First it will use the value of a, then it will decrease the value of a by 1. This side it decreases the value of a by 1, then it will use the value. Now you can see the example, int a equal to 5b. Then here I have written b equal to a plus a minus minus, a plus a minus minus. Now, here you can write 10 plus a minus minus. Then how it will be evaluated? This is postfix, so it will be used first. Value of a will be used. B equal to 10 plus a. So 10 plus 5, that is 15. Then a value will be decreased by 1. So it is 5 minus 1, 4. This 10 value of a is 5. Immediately it is used 15. Then a value is decreased 4. This side you can see in prefix b equal to 10 minus 10 plus minus minus a. Now how it will be evaluated? This is prefix decrement. So how it will work? This is a equal to a minus 1. Value of a will be decreased immediately. That is 5 minus 1, 4. Then it will be used. B equal to 10 plus 4. That is 14. That means B value in postfix decrement it is coming 15. In prefix decrement it is coming 14. Value of B is changing, but A value is remaining same because A minus minus, so A 5 it became 4. Here also minus minus A 5 it is becoming 4. But the value of B is changing depending on the prefix and postfix. In postfix value is 15 coming, but in prefix value is 14 coming. So this is decrement operator in postfix format as well as prefix format. Similarly, sometimes when we write program in printing statement also we use increment and decrement operator. Suppose my program is class P1 void read. One variable is declared int a equal to 5. Then my statement is system.out.println a. Second statement system.out.println a plus plus. Third statement system.out.println plus plus a. Now children, you can see the output. System.out.println a, value of a is printed, that is 5. Then second is system.out.println a plus plus, postfix. So it will use the value of a 5. Then it will be increased, that is 6. Then system.out.println plus plus a, prefix. So it will increase the value of a. Value of a is 6 plus plus a, it is becoming 7. Output is 557. I hope children you have understood the concept of increment and decrement operator. Children, this is very very important for your class 10 board exam. Question will come compulsorily in your exam. Hari Om and thank you.